All right, welcome back. Camaro's purple still. I don't know, man. Show you what I'm up to here today. All right, welcome back to the shop here today. Doing a little sanding, getting out a few runs, and I did burn through in a few spots. I thought I was going to be okay. You know, the paint actually laid down really well. I'm very happy with it, except for that last coat. But I got those runs all out. Looks pretty good. Really thought I was going to be able to get through without burning, but this side was a lot worse and I burnt through big time. So the whole car is going to get a scuff down with 600 and then repaint. Hopefully I'm going to touch up those little spots just with a quick splash, maybe let it dry for a half hour and then hit the whole car again. I'll try that and hopefully get away with just the one coat. But it's not looking too bad. I just threw the scoop back on. It's not bolted in. But yeah. Besides the color, I got a big run there I got to get rid of. Besides the color, I'm not completely sold on the color yet. So we'll see. I'm not sure if I'm changing it or not. Today's big shop cleanup day. Moving stuff around. This big bench used to be over here. Spent most of the morning tidying up this place. It gets pretty dusty in here, so I'm trying to sweep it out. Get some more area to work so I'm not tripping over things. Yeah, still got to organize a bunch of stuff, but this side's still a disaster. Moving stuff around, stuff piling up. But yeah, that's what I'm up to. Figuring out if I'm going to repaint this a different color. If so, then I need a few more coats, obviously. But yeah, sucks that I burnt through, but I had to. That's what it took to get rid of the runs. So anyway, quick little update on what's going on here with the old rot marrow. I got it sitting in the sun. It's been in the shop the whole time. I'm trying to get at least bake on some of the paint. As I was trying to scuff up some of this runs, it's still pretty soft under when you get through the surface. So yeah, just letting it sit a few more days, I think, before and the sun's helping it today, but sit a few more days until I get scuffing into it, because it's just clogging up the sandpaper like crazy because it's soft still. But I'm actually happy with the way the paint laid down. It's not bad it's not auto paint. This is basically Rust-Oleum. Bird poo already. It's basically Rust-Oleum, but it's made by Beauty Tone, or it's badged Beauty Tone for home hardware in Canada. So it's basically Tremclad Rust-Oleum. It's all the same, is what I'm told from the people that sold it to me anyway. Yeah, the paint laid down pretty nice. And I am going to shoot a clear over it. So that'll really help give it a pop. I do kind of like the satin look though. But we'll see. Anyway, thanks for following along. Comment, like, subscribe, all the good stuff. Let me know if you like the color. Thumbs up, thumbs down, yes, no, yay, nay, all that stuff. And have a great day.